Hey y'all, welcome back to Be Nurse for Life. Welcome to my channel, and yes, by the title we are definitely doing a closet revamp this Christmas, or a closet tear down as my husband says. So I just wanted to show you the before the series of my closet redo starts. Before I forget, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and yes, keep your judgments to yourself. It's a little chaotic right now. The whole point is to redo it and make more use of the closet. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this camera around and show y'all what it looks like now before I redo the whole thing. So this is the entrance to my closet. I have some bags right here. So right in this corner, I've been trying to utilize space, but we're redoing the whole thing anyway. So this is it. Don't mind the chaos on the ground. Yes. So yes. I hope I'm able to hang up these paintings too. That'll be nice. So yes, this is the closet pre the chaos. Hey, so my husband and my daughter are graciously going to help me build the units that are coming in here. My job is to take the stuff out and put it back in the way I want it. So yes. Oh god. But this is going to be a series because I can't do all of this one time. That's a no. I'm gonna start today, some tomorrow, and whenever I'm off again. Alright, so just showing you the and I will even show you some other parts. But I'll see you in a little bit. Okay. Get rid of all those boxes. them. Oh, that one's broken. Let's go downstairs anyway. I'm not found these. Oh, my brown shoes are in here too. Any of my cat ears. Oh, yeah. Watching me make you hungry. Watching me made you hungry. Dusty. It's really dusty.
Say that spirit, don't count them out.
What?
See the message from spirit. Everyone's saying that they're going out of business.
What is that?
I'm saying I just received a message from spirit because everyone keeps saying that they're going out of business since they just filed for bankruptcy. That they're saying, hey, through the holidays, we already found someone to help back us, so you all can still purchase tickets with us.
Wait, Spirit is going in bankruptcy?
Yeah, they filed for bankruptcy.
Oh my goodness. some progress. I moved, the perfume was here. I moved it over here. So definitely some progress. I've emptied out this whole back rack. All that's emptied. Look at all this space. Oh my goodness. Alright, my daughter's still making the unit that's gonna go here. I know for a fact I'm gonna need another one. Because the shoes is gonna wait, the shoes is gonna fit here, the drawer system somewhere here. So I'm definitely gonna need another unit to go over in this corner because all of this is going to, but not today. But do you see this chaos? Oh my goodness, I still need to do this. Now I'm working on taking this whole rack down. That's what I'm about to do. And getting these screws out, not easy. Work out. Oh my goodness. sure I can do this. See if this does it. But I think I need it. Oh no, wait, let's see. Ooh. About to hurt myself in here. Jesus. Let's see if I can get this one out. Oh yeah. I'm over here doing manual labor. The hell? My screwdriver was like, no. I'm not holes in this wall, man. Oh, where's the other one? Oh, here it is. Okay. Oh, shit. I'm trying to get it, but the stuff on this is probably going to bother it. Yeah. Did I get all the screws though? Let me continue.
Now let's go ahead and put your woods back in.
But the shelves. Gotta dust this off. Gotta clean it.
Oh, you can take it off.
No, I mean, dust it all. Oh, right here. I gotta vacuum the rug anyway.
That's something you could just slide it off and knock it off, since you could vacuum later.
Later, I'm gonna vacuum right here. Oh, God. Probably should have done that first. Let's see what I'm doing.
Now to push one closer to the other.
Let's see.
Just to slide it in the hole.
Oh, maybe if I start with this one.
The one closest to, no, the one closest to you should put in last, so you could push it with your hand towards the other one.
Got it. Same thing with this one. I can't see. There's a hole. Oh, there.
You got it?
No, I don't got it. Can't sit high. Loading shelves.
There you go.
Here's your drill bit, sir. Thank you for your hard work. Trust me, I couldn't do it without you. I'm not a big drill person. I try, but I'm not. Alright, all the perfumes are in this corner now. My husband just put up my floating shelves for me. My daughter finished this system in the corner. It starts in that corner all the way down. Right there. I like this. I like this thing. I'm trying to decide if I will need another one for this side or not. We will see. But I think I might change it up for the next side. But, because I'm thinking I might just get another one of these for that wall. And just have less hanging up. But I might have one more hang up situation right here. Because we're going to have the drawers here. And I think I want more flourish. Don't mind these little patches. I'm going to cover them. But definitely. But yeah, that's the progress right now. Mess down here because we're moving and shaking right now. But one corner is good so far. Yes. Very happy. While taking out all this stuff out of my closet, I decided I'm definitely doing a purge. Heavy purge. Because too much stuff in here. That's crazy. I must have the best Tetris. I don't know. I must be good at Tetris. Because how I got all this stuff in here is insane. Anyways, I'll be back. I gotta come vacuum this floor real quick and start moving back some clothes in here so we can clean up the place before, because we gotta go to the store real quick, and then later on I gotta pick up my son, which is probably gonna have a meltdown when he sees the hallway. Alright, see you in a little bit. Hey guys, coming on to do a quick outro for that first part of the series. Yes, we're coming on slowly. But I just want to remind y'all to don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and yeah, there's more to come. Still working on the rest of the closet, as you can see behind me. Still got to take down this, but first I got to empty up there. The other side is looking pretty good. I don't know if I showed you guys what the shelves my husband put up for me. But yeah, it's still a little chaotic in here, but I am able to walk around in here pretty good. My husband was gracious enough to let me put stuff in his office. So let me not ramble. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
1 2 1 2, need my attitude. 3 4 3 4, check my latitude.